Hello everyone. In this video you will get the idea about what all the syllabus is available for the BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. As per the CBCS scheme, this syllabus is effect from the academic year 2018 and 19 onwards. In BCA, you can see in the first semester you will be having a Kannada, English, and then environmental studies, computer fundamentals, problem solving using C, and digital electronics. So these are the theory papers for the first semester, and the practicals are computer fundamental lab. It is for 50 marks, 40 for external and 10 for internal. And second practical is problem solving using C lab. Again it is for 50 marks, 40 external, 10 internal. And the third practical is digital electronics lab. Again it is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. Similarly, the second semester, again in second there is a language Kannada /MIL1. Okay, so you may have Kannada or Hindi. Then next is the English and Indian Constitution. It is for 50 marks, 40 for theory, 10 for internal. Next subject is discrete mathematics. Next is object oriented in C++ and database management system. So these are the three computer related subjects and two languages, one Indian Constitution. And practicals related to the theory part. The first practical, that is practical number 4, discrete mathematics lab. Second practical for the second semester, practical 5, object oriented programming in C++. Practical 6, database management system. So all these three practical is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. Similarly, the third semester of the BCA, again it has two languages. Okay, Kannada MIL, so you may choose Kannada or Hindi, then English. Okay, and the mandatory subjects of the computer are computer oriented statistical methods, data structure and file processing, and third is the operating system. It is for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. And practicals for this third semester are practical number 7 on computer oriented statistical methods lab, practical number 8 on data structures and file processing, practical number 9 on operating system. So all these three practicals again for 50 marks. Okay, 50 marks, 40 external and 10 is internal. Coming to the fourth semester, a fourth semester again having two languages, Kannada, Hindi or English. So either you can choose Kannada or Hindi, then go for the second language English, that is 4B. Next is DSC, financial accounting and management for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. Java programming for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. And third is software engineering, again for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal. For fourth semester again you will be having three practicals. Practical number 10, that is on accounting lab, accounting subject, financial accounting and management, and related to theory, the practical assessment will be given, and based on that your lab will be conducted. Especially this lab is on tally, so how you can prepare the financial accounting and manage your accounts on tally. Practical number 11 on Java programming lab, practical number 12 on software engineering lab. So all these 3 lab is for 50 marks, 40 external and 10 internal. Coming to the 5th semester, okay, 5th semester, there is a slightly difference between the 1 to 4 semester and 5th and 6th semester, because in 5th and 6th semester you don't have any languages, but you have some of the additional subject. Among that you need to choose one of the subject which you want to study in 5th and 6th semester. For example, if you see the paper code SEC1, okay, so it is a skill enhancement course 1. In skill enhancement course 1, you need to choose system administration and maintenance or software testing. It is for 50 marks, 40 for external, 10 for practical PR. Okay, and SEC2, that is information security and Perl programming, 2 papers were there. So you need to again choose either information security or Perl system. Again it is for 50 marks, 40 external, that is written theory, 10 practical, internal practical. Okay, DSE1. So again in DSE1, so these are the mandatory. DSE 1, 2, 3 are the mandatory subjects. Okay, mandatory means all the 3 you need to study, but again you need to choose any one, either A, B, C. So there are 3 subjects given under DSE 1. A is a Python programming, second B is a .NET programming, C is a design and analysis of algorithm. So among these 3 you need to choose any one. Similarly, DSE2 consists of web technology, data mining and CG, computer graphics. So among these 3 you need to choose any one. Again DSE3 also, there is a data communication and networks, multimedia system and application, and Hadoop and R programming. So all these for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. Okay, so related to DSE 1, 2, 3, you will be having 3 practicals of 50 marks. There is no practical for SEC 1 and 2. Okay, those are the skill enhancement courses. As I said, 40 as a theory paper and 10 as a practical. So you can see there is a PR written in the bracket. Okay, that is internal bracket. Internal practical marks will be given. Okay, so DSC 1 practical. So if you choose Python, the lab on Python will be conducted. If you choose .NET lab will be conducted. Similarly, DSC 2 and DSC 3. Okay, coming to the last semester, that is the 6th semester of the BCA. Again there is a SEC 3 and SEC 4. So skill enhancement course, again XML programming or PHP, you need to choose one. And in SEC 4, office automation tools and Android programming. So among these 2 you choose one. Okay, next DSE 4 and DSE 5. Okay, only 2 theories are given in the 6th semester, right? So again, Scilab programming, principle of animation, open source software. So among these 3 choose any one. And DSE 5, digital image processing, cyber forensics, cloud computing. So you need to choose one. Okay, coming to practical, DSE 4 practical and DSE 5 practicals are there. But if you see in the theory, DSE 6 is not there, but in the practical there is DSE 6. It means that there is a major project report you need to prepare in the final semester of the BCA. Okay, and total marks for this project work is 150, and that 150 is divided as 90 for project evaluation. So when you appear the examination, the examiner will evaluate your project and gives 90 marks for your project evaluation work. And during this project work, the examiner will ask you the questions. Viva marks will be given based on the question answer round, that is for 30 marks. Okay, so 90 plus 30, 120, right? So 120 is for external and 30 is for your internal marks. So college will award you the 30 marks and 120 marks will be awarded by the examiner based on your project. Okay, so project reports and your project 90 marks and 30 is for viva. Okay, so total the entire 1 to 6 semesters of the BCA consist of 3800 marks. Okay, and total credits are 144. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus which you have for the BCA course. Thank you.